Hey, what is up everybody? It is AJ here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you what I think is going to be my favorite feature in Microsoft Teams in 2023 and beyond, which is short format videos. Short format videos have been taking the social media world by storm now with Instagram Reels and TikToks and YouTube Shorts, and these short format videos of sharing content. They've started to make their way into corporate apps like Microsoft Teams as well, and I think we're only going to see more and more popularity grow with these videos in Teams. But before we do that, I just want to have a quick shout out to our video sponsor, EaseUS. EaseUS has been around for over 18 years and have over 530 million customers worldwide. Their free EaseUS backup tool for Windows is perfect for anyone wanting to create a safe backup, recovery, and clone of your computer. And if you're setting up a brand new computer and you want to easily transfer your existing system onto a different PC, you can do this with the home version of the EaseUS backup tool as well. EaseUS has a Trustpilot score of 4.7 stars from over 8,900 reviews, which means there are a lot of satisfied customers with their products. And if you want to learn more about the EaseUS backup tools, simply follow the links in the description down below. And now, back to the video. Creating a short form video in Microsoft Teams is really quite simple. You just want to open up your chat and then choose the person or the group you want to send it to. In this example here, you can see I've already sent a few videos to myself. And down the bottom of Microsoft Teams, you can see there's a little send icon, what you'd normally hit if you don't hit enter, to send a message. Next to that, though, you may have missed, there is now a little button called record a video clip. When you click on the button, record a video clip, a new dialog box is going to open up and it's going to say record a clip. Only people in this chat are going to view this video or can view this video. You can see here it shows you your camera, and down the bottom you have a big red record button which gives you a 1 minute limit. And on the left hand side of that, you actually have two drop down menus. One is to change the microphone that you're using, and the other is to change the camera that you're using. You can see here I have both the Surface camera front facing as well as OBS. But what I think is really important about this is that if you had a device like a Surface Pro that had a rear facing camera, you could be on site, for example, at a customer site, and instead of using your front facing camera, you could say, I'm going to show you an issue that we're having. Hit the record video option and choose the back facing camera. Go around and take a video with the back facing camera, talking over it and being able to quickly send it to somebody for their support. But for now, we're happy with using the front facing camera and the microphone, and we're simply going to hit record. Hey, this is me just testing out the recording feature. You can see that you have up to a minute to record. Once you're done, you can either pause it and make extra snippets to it, or you can simply hit pause, and then you can go review, and you can actually review that video before it gets sent off. In the review section, you have a few options here, not too many, but just enough to quickly edit your video. You can trim down the video from the start and the end. You can actually choose the play button. Me just testing out the recording feature to hear the video back. And then of course you can hit the record again if you're not happy with it. Once you're done trimming the video and you're happy with how it sounds, simply hit on the send option. It's going to prepare the video clip and then it's going to send it to the person on the other side. From there, they can actually hit play so they can play the video testing out the recording feature. They can of course change the playback speed from 1 to half speed all the way up to double playback speed. And of course they can go full screen. So if they're looking at something that's really quite important, you can go full screen and they can actually just get a bigger, clearer picture of what you've sent them. I personally am going to start using video recording more in Microsoft Teams because I think it's a nice way to interact with people and an easy way to get messages across. What do you guys think about the video recording in Microsoft Teams? Is it a tool that you're going to use, or do you think it's a bit gimmicky? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Of course, if you like this video, let me know that by giving this video a thumbs up, and if you want to supercharge the ways your computer, hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.